what you're going to hear from these renowned pathologists is essentially George died because he needed a breath. He needed a breath of air. So I implore you all to join his family in taking a breath for justice, taking a breath for peace, taking a breath for our country, but more importantly, taking a breath for George, since he didn't get the opportunity to take a breath. For George Floyd, the ambulance was his hearse. Beyond question, he would be alive today if not for the pressure applied to his neck by fired officer Derek Chauvin and the strain on his body from the two additional officers kneeing him in his back. What we know is that George was living, breathing, talking until we see those officers restrain him while he's face down in handcuffs, with Officer Chauvin having his knee lodged into his neck for over 8 minutes, almost 9 minutes, and the other officer having both his knees lodged into his back. And the doctors will explain the significance of that as to the cause and manner of death.